A few years ago, scam emails were easy to spot. Bad grammar, strange wording, obvious mistakes. Today, that's no longer the case. Because now, the message might not be written by a person at all. It could be generated by artificial intelligence. Perfect grammar, natural tone, and tailored specifically for you. This is how AI is silently changing one of the oldest tricks in cybercrime. Phishing attacks used to be simple and sloppy. Scammers would send the same email to thousands, sometimes millions of people at once. These emails were generic and didn't feel personal. They often started with lines like, "Dear customer," or "Valued member." The goal was to trick even a few people into falling for the scam. But these scams were easy to recognize. The emails were filled with obvious mistakes, such as spelling errors, strange grammar, and wording that sounded off. Many attackers were from other countries, rushing their scams or not knowing how to use professional language. Their logos and images were often missing or looked like low-quality copies. Official signatures, when included, were often mismatched or outright fake. And if you hovered over a link, it wasn't uncommon to see suspicious URLs. They might look like trusted brands at first, but closer inspection revealed sneaky changes, like onmicrosoft.com or paper1-security.com. The scams also lacked personalization. Messages claiming to be from your bank failed to include even the most basic details, like your name. This was a huge red flag. Back then, these mistakes made phishing scams easier to spot. People were more careful and less used to seeing these kinds of tricks. The fake websites that scammers used to steal information didn't help them much either. They looked nothing like real websites and often didn't work properly. Everything about those early scams felt sloppy and easier to avoid. But now, things are different because phishing attacks have a new, powerful helper called AI. AI phishing is a new type of scam where criminals use artificial intelligence to make their traps super convincing and hard to notice. Unlike the old scams with obvious mistakes, these scams are slick, professional, and feel very real. The goal of these scams is to trick you into sharing personal information like passwords, money, or private details. AI can gather information from your social media to make messages feel personal. For example, you might get an email about a missed payment, a delivery problem, or a security warning. Modern AI programs are great at sounding human. These tools are trained to write in perfect grammar and can mirror the tone and style of professional communication. This eliminates the sloppy mistakes that used to make scams easy to spot. Plus, the speed and quality of these messages means scammers can send out huge numbers of fake but believable emails in no time. And then there's the mimicry. AI can go even further by copying real people. Keep watching to understand this in detail. First, attackers gather as much information as possible about their targets. This might sound like a time-consuming process, but the use of AI makes this process super fast. AI bots can scan the internet for public information in no time. They go through LinkedIn profiles to see where you work, your job title, and even who your boss is. On other social media accounts, they analyze posts, pictures, and comments to learn about your hobbies, family, and recent activities. Corporate websites, news articles, and even stolen data from old data breaches are all used to gather personal details. With all this information, AI creates phishing content that feels personal and real. Instead of generic emails, AI writes messages that match the target's specific life and interests. For example, if it finds you posted about an upcoming conference on LinkedIn, it could send you a fake invitation for that exact event. AI tools called dark LLMs can create dozens of perfect emails, texts, or even fake websites with no spelling errors, which removes red flags that used to help people catch scams. To make the scam even scarier, the AI can copy the way real people communicate. It studies writing styles, like how someone in your office writes emails, the words they use, or their favorite phrases. Attackers can take things even further. They can copy someone's voice or make fake videos called deep fakes. Scammers use them to trick people in shocking ways. Workers might hear what sounds like their boss telling them to send money or share private information. But it's all fake, and when you realize this, it's usually too late. Once everything is set up, the attackers send their fake messages using the best way to reach their target. This could be through email, text, social media, or even video calls. They often make the message sound urgent, pushing people to act quickly. On top of that, there are advanced AI tools that can make fake websites that look almost exactly like real ones from trusted companies. These websites are designed to copy everything. Even scarier, these fake sites can change depending on who visits them. They might switch to the visitor's language, match their type of device, or even use information about what the person has done online before. This makes it really hard to tell which sites are real and which are fake. AI phishing attacks become successful because of a few but solid reasons. The first reason is trust. Instead of sending out random fake messages, it creates ones that feel personal and believable. It can even sound like a trusted professional, such as a lawyer or government official, by using expert language. This makes people follow instructions without questioning. The next reason is urgency. Scammers know that when we feel rushed, we often don't stop to think. AI helps them create fake messages that sound frantic or threatening, like saying, "You'll lose access to your account if you don't act now." The third reason is familiarity. AI is great at making strangers feel like friends. It can copy the way someone writes, using similar words, emojis, and phrases. It can even bring up specific events from your life, like a recent conference you attended, to make the message seem genuine. This level of personalization tricks people into trusting it more, even when they've been trained to spot scams. Here are some detailed examples to shed light on how these tactics are being used today. Number 1. The too good to be true fake job offer. As we've already shared, scammers use AI to scrape personal details from LinkedIn profiles or similar platforms. And that's how they tailor fake job offers just for you. For example, a message might read, "Hi Alex, we've been impressed by your work on Jing Tech and believe you'd be a perfect fit for our new React Native developer job position. We're offering a salary of $110,000 a year with full remote flexibility. Please review the attached onboarding and benefits guide to see if this aligns with your goals." Once you open or download the guide, it might take you to a fake website that asks for personal information or even install malicious software on your device without letting you know. Number 2, the urgent CEO request, also known as business email compromise. This scam exploits employees' eagerness to assist their boss. The attacker impersonates a senior figure like the CEO and sends an urgent-sounding message. For example, they might say, "Hey Alex, I'm stuck in back-to-back meetings and can't log into the payment system. We need to pay the Smith Solutions invoice by 4 p.m. today to avoid a late fee. Can you take care of this wire transfer for me? I'll check in after my meetings." To make it seem more real, scammers use AI to copy the boss's voice and make a follow-up call. The voice often sounds rushed or stressed, making it harder to say no. Number 3, fake customer support and account lock alerts. Another concerning tactic involves AI-generated fake customer support messages. These scams replicate the branding and tone of trusted companies like Microsoft, Google, or major financial institutions. A typical message might state, "Dear Amazon Prime user, our system detected an unauthorized login attempt from City XYZ. For your security, we have temporarily restricted your account. Please click here to verify your identity and restore access immediately." AI copies the company's logos and website designs with impressive accuracy. Even more worrying, it can create fake chat support agents that use AI to trick people into giving away their private information. The scale at which scammers are using AI-driven phishing attacks is terrifying. What was once a small operation by individuals has evolved into a massive, industrialized system that overwhelms global defenses. This new scale problem revolves around three major pillars that have redefined how attacks are launched and how successful they have become. First, AI makes it easy to create high-quality content fast. Before AI, phishing emails took hours for attackers to write. Now, with just a few instructions, AI can make a convincing campaign in 5 minutes. This saves criminals over 16 hours of work. Even worse, AI can change small details like sender names, wording, or logos. These constant changes help scammers sneak past security filters that look for repeated patterns. Second, AI has made it possible to automate how scams are launched. Attackers can collect public information from social media and job sites to create thousands of personalized phishing emails. AI tools can plan attacks on their own. They can also change plans in real time. This helps them trick people or avoid being caught. These tools make attacks happen more often. Phishing attacks have gone up by 200%, and some companies now get new fake emails every 19 seconds. Third, AI has made phishing attacks much more successful. AI-created phishing emails trick people almost 5 times more often than regular ones. According to several resources, they have a 54% success rate compared to 12% for emails written by humans. These emails look perfect, with no mistakes or strange wording. This makes them harder to spot. AI tools are also cheap, sometimes completely free, which makes it easy for criminals to use them. This evolution of phishing has created a global digital threat that is almost unstoppable. With 90% of all cyber incidents now beginning with a phishing attack, the scale problem of AI phishing demands immediate attention and strong countermeasures. In the future, this could get much worse. Imagine what would happen if hackers combined voice cloning from 11 labs with advanced deepfake video generators from OpenAI. They could pretend to be anyone they want, fooling people with fake voices and videos that look shockingly real. And they can do all this in no time and with absolute perfection. That's how dangerous AI is. And now that you've understood it, there's no question about learning how to stay safe. Here are a few tips that will help you build a strong defense against AI-powered scams. Verify through a second channel. If you get an unexpected request, especially one involving sensitive information or money, pause. Move to a different platform to confirm it. The rule is simple. If you get an email, call the person directly. If it's a DM, send a message on a different app like Slack or Teams. If you get a phone call, hang up and call the official number listed on the company's website. This works because AI can fake one account or number, but it's harder for scammers to control every channel at once. Don't trust the vibe or tone. Scammers now use AI tools to create perfect, professional, and convincing messages. You can no longer rely on spotting typos or odd phrases like in the past. Instead, focus on what the message is asking for. A big red flag is a request that includes a link to a login page or an unexpected attachment. No matter how polite or professional the sender seems, treat those requests as suspicious. Treat urgency like a stop sign. Scammers use urgency to make people act quickly without thinking. If you get a rushed request for money, stop and take a moment. Pause for 2 minutes and ask yourself, is this normal? To stay safer, set up a safe word or code with coworkers or family. This can help confirm big requests and protect you from AI voice cloning scams. The next scam won't look suspicious. It won't sound unusual. and it won't feel fake because it will be written perfectly, not by a person, but by artificial intelligence.